Welcome to the channel. This is Cash Illustrates, and I'm Cash. This is where I draw and you watch. In this video, we're going to go over the basics of drawing the ear. Hopefully there's something you like and see. If there is, please hit the like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. I start off by drawing the basic shapes of the ear. A lot of people will draw the ear with just one shape, and I liken it to either that of a light bulb or, again, with my beans, it looks like a bean. I personally prefer to do the two-bean approach. That way I can mentally note where the earlobe starts and where the cartilage begins. I like to start off with drawing the tragus, the ear canal, and the antitragus. This for me helps to just kind of define the center of the ear. I like to sketch in the helix and the antihelix as well as the concha together. This is honestly for no other reason than a trick I picked up way back when I was learning cartooning, and I learned that you can kind of cheat your way through an ear by drawing the cartilage out and making it a Y shape. While we're on the topic of cartooning, let me demonstrate a few other options for drawing the ear that don't include my Y shape. The ear is about as unique as your fingerprint, and forensic teams actually use ear prints in some cases to find perpetrators, and by that logic, don't worry about drawing every single ear the same. Honestly, most of the time people aren't even paying attention. Just make it look realistic and believable enough. You might have to play around with it until you find some way of drawing an ear that matches your personal style. And believe me, I'm talking from personal experience. I'm still evolving my style and how I draw particular things, and I don't think that'll ever change. I think that is the beauty of being an artist, is you're constantly evolving and you're constantly getting better, and you just have to keep going. Speaking of which, let's keep this video going. I'm gonna go ahead and color in the drawing I've done. I honestly just kind of wanted to break out my gouache set, so here we are. I hope you liked the video and maybe learned something new. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, take care and be kind to each other.